This is the box packing of Trinocular Metallurgical Microscope MICRT-MM4 Lab Aids brand, manufactured by Divine International Techcraft, New Delhi, India. Inside the box is the main microscope body, a trinocular head, mains cord, two wide field eyepieces 10x. This is the trinocular eyepiece. Then there is a set of green and brown filters. There is a warranty card, a dust cover, lens cleaning tissue, all packed safely inside styrofoam. And there is an instruction manual. Trinocular Metallurgical Microscope MICRT-MM4, manufactured by Divine International Techcraft, New Delhi, India. It has two wide field 10x eyepieces, a trinocular head. In the trinocular attachment, we can fix a camera. It has a four-way rotating headpiece. There are four objectives: 5x, 10x, 20x and 40x. There is a graduated mechanical stage. There is a filter slot for inserting the green or brown filters. It has a 5-watt LED that can be switched on. This is an incident light. The intensity of light can also be varied. You can see the intensity is varying. This is ideal for use in metallurgical laboratories. We wait for your inquiries and orders for this product.